Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video.
I want to ask you, I know it was a really long time ago. Wow, that was like 9 years ago. But do you happen to remember like how much you were earning in your first week or like first 2 weeks of driving?
Yeah, actually, I remember my first fare. My very first fare, I made like 14 bucks and I only drove for like 10 minutes. Like from the time I got the call to picked her up and dropped her off. I still remember the first customer. Like she was upset with where I pulled over because I was like in downtown LA and I'm like, well, I can't stop right here. I could get a ticket. So I went forward like 20 more feet. And she's like, no, I'm that's the front of the store. And I'm like, well, I really can't stop right here. I still remember that. But I thought the money was so good when I saw that first fare. Like I'd never made like 14 bucks in 10 minutes before. Like maybe I'd make 14 bucks an hour at some of my jobs, but I just thought, man, I'm never, at first I thought I'll never stop doing it. And so, golly, what would I make in a week? I think I had a few, at least like a thousand, 1,500 a week. Maybe sometimes, golly, what was it averaging? Do a quick calculation here. It got a lot better when I got into the recruiting. I'll tell you that. When I was recruiting, I was making like $3,000 a week sometimes.
Oh,
So I
wow.
got myself a second new Prius, and I traded in the old one. And I was smarter that time around. I'll tell you that story. Like when I first started driving, I was using a stick shift SUV. So I was getting tennis elbow from driving so much, right?
Oh,
And
yeah.
I mean, the money was pretty good. I guess I was making, I think between like 1,200 and 1,500 a week.